Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Lenovo Tab M10 tablet. In this video, you will learn how to change live caption language in your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. First of all, in your tablet, just go to the settings. Go to settings. Then here select accessibility, and here just click on caption preferences. Just click on it, and here click on more options and click on language. Already language is set to default. Okay, suppose if you would like to change to other language, just here you can select any language. Okay, so here lot of languages available, English and other language like Polski, then Romania. Several languages are available. What language you would like to choose, just select any one, and that will be set as the live caption language, not system language, live caption language. Suppose if you would like to change back to default or any other language, again you got to go to here and click on default, so that default language can be set to live caption. So in this way you can easily change live caption language in your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.